Canada defies Trump's tariffs, shifts oil exports to China and Europe. For decades, trade between Canada and the United States was a model for the world. However, President Donald Trump's unpredictable tariff policies have deeply shaken this relationship. Instead of succumbing to Trump's heavy tariffs on oil, steel, and aluminum, Canada is turning to new markets. China and Europe have become the new targets for Canada's crude oil exports. Trump's tariff policy and Canada's response. President Trump has repeatedly emphasized his determination to impose tariffs on Canada. However, Canada has made it clear that it will not bow to these threats. As the largest supplier of crude oil to the US, exporting 4 million barrels per day, Canada is now seeking new markets due to Trump's tariffs. China and the European Union have emerged as Canada's most important alternatives. Trans Mountain Pipeline and the Asian market. Canada currently exports 90% of its crude oil to the US. However, Trump's tariffs are forcing Canada to look toward Asian and European markets. The Trans Mountain Pipeline project is a key part of this strategy. Through this pipeline, Canada plans to transport its crude oil to the Pacific coast for export to China and other Asian countries. This scenario, which would have been unthinkable a few years ago, is now becoming increasingly attractive for Canada. The role of China and Europe. China is becoming a major market for Canada's crude oil. Especially under Trump's tariffs, Canadian oil could become more appealing to Chinese refineries. The European Union also presents a significant alternative for Canada. However, geographical distance and logistical challenges complicate this option. Canada must develop new strategies to overcome these hurdles. Global impacts and future scenarios. Trump's tariffs could affect not only trade between Canada and the US but also global oil markets. Chinese and European refineries may gain a competitive edge by purchasing Canadian oil at more favorable prices. This could put US refineries at a disadvantage. Additionally, consumers may face higher prices. The effects of this trade war extend beyond the two countries, impacting the entire world. Rather than yielding to Trump's tariffs, Canada is striving to protect itself through new trade agreements and strategic moves. As China and Europe become new markets for Canadian crude oil, this shift could alter global trade dynamics. The outcomes of this trade war will not only affect Canada and the US but will have far-reaching consequences for the entire world.